Hi friend, this is Manoj Jimne, Assistant Professor and Head Department of English, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Art, Commerce and Science College, Surtoli Lohara, Tahsil Deori, Dixt, Gondia. Please follow me on the YouTube channel and subscribe this channel to get daily notification about the lecture. In the last videos, we had discussed about the story Kabuliwala, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore, and in that discussion we had discussed about the narrator of the story, the Kabuliwala, and the character, the Kabuliwala, as well as the 5 years daughter of the narrator, and the communication between and the relationship between the narrator, the Kabuliwala, and Minnie, who is 5 years old at the beginning of the story. The narrator was busy in reading the novel, and at that time he hears the commotion in the street, and when he sees towards the street, he saw that the Kabuliwala was carried away by two policemen, one who is holding the Kabuliwala and the another policeman was hold the knife in his hand, and he was worried about Kabuliwala, and he thought that what actually had happened. When the narrator goes outside to ask what happened, means when the father of Minnie, the narrator, when he go to the outside on the street to ask about Kabuliwala and what actually happened with the Kabuliwala, and between what Kabuliwala and the policeman tell him. The policeman tells the narrator that he gathered that a neighbor who owed Rahman money refused to pay, and so they got in a fight, during which he stabbed the neighbors. What the policeman said to the narrator? The policeman said to narrator that in the society, Rahman and his neighbor were talking to each other, and when the neighbor of Rahman was denied to pay the money to Rahman, the quarrel, the fight between them is started, and during that fight, the Kabuliwala, Rahman Khan, stabbed his neighbor, and that's why the police kept him or arrest him. As he tells his story, जसं तो स्टोरी सांगत असतो रहमानची, मिनी अपियर्स आउटसाइड, मिनी वरांड्यामध्ये येत असतो त्यांच्या घरी, गोज अप टू द काबुलीवाला जस्ट ॲज युजुअल मिनी गोज टू द काबुलीवाला अँड से आस्क हिम इफ ही इज गोइंग टू हिज फादर इन लॉ. ही poured, if he means if Kabuliwala is going to his father-in-law's house to go his सासर ज्याला म्हणतो, ती त्याला विचारत असतं ॲज युजुअल, तू सासरी चाललेला आहे का. and he grins and say he is. And actually the Kabuliwala said, yes, I am go to my father-in-law's house. तो म्हणत असतो की हो मी कुठे चाललाय, मी माझ्या सासरी चाललाय. And at that time the meaning of father-in-law is the jail. However, in deviating from their usual script of inside jokes, as usual, whenever they were talk about the jokes, and at the time when she asked about father-in-law and he says yes, he is going to the father-in-law's house, and that joke is really touching to his heart. The Kabuliwala fails to make Minnie laugh, and at that time the Kabuliwala fails to make Minnie laugh, means the language, the emotion of Kabuliwala doesn't love Minnie. ते मिनीला हसवू शकला नाही, कारण की ते सांगण्याचं पद्धत, त्याचा हावभाव, ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टीमुळे एक प्रकारचं सिरियसनेस. बिकॉज ॲट दॅट टाइम विथ काबुलीवाला देर वेर अ policeman and that's why she can't laugh at the jokes of Kabuliwala. At that time actually he was not joking about the Sasurin-laws, that is the real, and actually he was going to his father-in-law's house, means he was going to jail in the cause of murderous assault. Gesturing to his handcuffs, he adds, and he shows his fist to the Minnie and he says that I would have killed my Sasur, but how I can with this horn. But his hand was bind, and that's why he shows his hand to Minnie and he says to Minnie, how would I kill my Sasur? I want to kill my Sasur, I want to kill that policeman, but here the policeman is referred to as his father-in-laws, and that's why he tells, I want to kill that policeman, that my Sasur, but I can't kill them, I can't thrust them because my hand is bound. My hand is bound. तो दाखवत असतो हात त्या दिशेने, बट त्याचे हात बांधल्यामुळे तो सांगत असतो की माझे हात बांधले नाही तर मी माझ्या सासऱ्याला मारलं असतं, त्या पोलिसवाल्यांना मारलं असतं. The Kabuliwala is sentenced to prison for many years, and as the murderous assault, Kabuliwala is sentenced to prison for many years, for the several years. खूप वर्षाची त्याला शिक्षा होत असतं. And the narrator and Minnie soon forget him, and the narrator and his daughter Minnie after that forget the Kabuliwala. ते त्याला विसरून जात असतात. तो जेलमध्ये जात असतो आणि कधीच खूप दिवसापर्यंत येत नसल्या कारणानं काय ते मिनी आणि द नरेटर दोघेजण त्याला विसरून जात असतात. ॲज शी ग्रोज अप, आणि खूप दिवस निघून जातात, ती आता मोठी झालेली असतं, वयाने खूप मोठी झालेली असतं. शी इज ग्रोन अप as very young. Minnie's behavior, according to the narrator, is not very praiseworthy, and the behavior of Minnie is not like praiseworthy, and the family's groom Nabi, and after some years he is going to marry, and her marriage will be to Nabi. Soon replace the Kabuliwala in her affection, and her affection is changes from Kabuliwala to हर ग्रूम नाबी. ती काय तिचे जे अफेक्शन होतं कोणाप्रती काबुलीवाल्याप्रती ते आता चेंज झालं होतं बिकॉज सी वॉज ग्रोन अप नाव अँड दॅट्स वाय हर बिहेवियर ॲज वेल ॲज हर इमोशन अफेक्शन विल बी चेंज्ड अँड ॲक्च्युअली हॅपन्ड दिस. आणि तसंच घडत असते. ती छोटी होती त्या कारणानं काय काबुलीवाल्याकडे तिचं अट्रॅक्शन जास्त होतं कारण की त्यामध्ये एक प्रकारचं निरागस प्रेम होतं, एक प्रकारचं आईवडिलांचं जसं प्रेम असते तशा प्रकारचं त्यांच्यामध्ये बिकॉज दी काबुलीवाला सीज in her his daughter and that's why he was attached to her. But nowadays Minnie was now grown up and she was going to marry. तिचं आता लग्न होणार असतं आणि तिचं जो फियन्सी असतं त्याचं नाव असतं नाबी आणि तिचं जे प्रेम होतं तिचं जे अफेक्शन होतं काबुलीवाल्याप्रती ते अफेक्शन आता रिप्लेस झालेलं होतं बिकॉज इन द प्लेस ऑफ काबुलीवाला देर इज नाव हर फियन्से her groom Nabi. And then after that Minnie begins to prefer being friend with other girl her age and now she was begins to prefer being friend with other girls of her age. आणि ती तिच्या वयाच्या मुलींसोबत आता तिनं फ्रेंडशिप करायला सुरुवात केलेली होती. तिच्या जे मित्र होते ते आता कोण काबुलीवाल्यासारखं ओल्ड एज नव्हतं तर आता काय तिच्या एजच्या मुली काय तिच्या मैत्री आता झाला होता. शी ऑल्सो स्टॉप विजिटिंग द नरेटर. आता ती काय नरेटरकडं तिच्या वडिलाकडं फार फार जी नेहमी बडबड करत जात असायची ते सुद्धा तिचं आता थांबलेलं होतं. वाईल ही इज इन हिज स्टडी अँड द नरेटर ॲडमिट दॅट आय इन अ सेन्स ड्रॉफ्ट हर. आणि त्यामुळेच आता काय ती केव्हा केव्हा जर नरेटरला भेटायचं असेल बोलायचं असेल तर त्याला विचारून ते त्याच्याकडे येत असायचे. Years later, after some years, once again during autumn and there was the autumn season, the narrator and his wife arranged Minnie's marriage and the father of Minnie's, the narrator of the story and his wife, the narrator's wife was busy in preparing or arranging all the preparation of marriage of Minnie. Minnieच्या लग्नाचे तिचे आई वडील नरेटर and his wife was arranging Minnie's marriage and that was the season of autumn season. They are terribly sad to think that their pride and joy will soon be leaving their household for her husbands and they were totally sad. They were totally sad in sorrow because their daughter was leaving their household for her husband. कारण की त्यांची जी मुलगी होती त्यांची जी प्रेमळ मुलगी ती आता काय त्यांचं घर सोडून जाणार होती, घर सोडून चालले होते अँड दॅट्स वाय दे वर सॅड. त्यामुळे ते दुःखी झालेलं होतं. इट इज अ मोस्ट ब्युटिफुल मॉर्निंग अँड द ब्युटिफुल अँड दॅट इज द डे ऑफ मॅरेज ऑफ मिनी. मिनीच्या लग्नाचा दिवस होता अँड दॅट इज द मोस्ट ब्युटिफुल मॉर्निंग अँड सकाळ एकदम सुंदर अशी सकाळ निघत असतं. बट द नरेटर इज फिलिंग अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रीफ. बट at that morning in the morning the narrator of the story means the father of Minnie is feeling a lot of grief. त्याला खूप दुःख वाटत असतं because his daughter is leaving his home. कारण की त्याची मुलगी आता काय त्याचं घर सोडून जाणार होते and that's why he was in grief or the imminent separation because he was separate. He was he will being separated from his daughter, his beloved daughter, and that's why he was in grief in that morning. The house is very busy. सगळे जण प्रिपरेशन मध्ये लग्नाच्या तयारीमध्ये लागलेले असतात. The house is very busy as preparation take place, but the narrator stay in his study to work. But the narrator, all the people, all the members of that family were busy in the preparation of marriage. But the narrator of the story, the father of Minnie, is busy with his study. The Kabuliwala suddenly appears in the room. अनअनाउन्स्ड, न बोलवता अचानकपणे त्यांना कोण दिसत असतं? काबुलीवाला दिसत असतं. अँड इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू रिकॉग्नाइज हिम. अँड ॲट दॅट टाइम इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिकॉग्नाइज काबुलीवाला, बिकॉज आफ्टर 8 to 10 years he came back, and that's why the narrator and his wife can't recognize him, because his appearance has changed, because the look and the appearance of the Kabuliwala has just totally changed so much, and he has lost his vigor. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये जे प्रकारची चमक होती ते आता ते सगळं नष्ट झालेलं होतं. द काबुलीवाला टेल्स द नरेटर, and when the Kabuliwala come and tells the narrator he had just been released from prison, and he tells the narrator that he had just been released from prison, and directly he comes from the prison reminding the narrator that he was would be murdered, and he reminding the narrator means the Kabuliwala remind the narrator, काय त्याला आठवण करून दे असतं की त्यानं मर्डर केलेलं होतं. ही गोष्ट त्या आनंदाच्या दिवशी त्याला तो काबुलीवाला आठवून देतं. अँड दॅट्स वाय, बघा एवढा आनंदाचा दिवस असतो आणि त्या आनंदाच्या दिवशी सगळेजण आनंदामध्ये तयारी करत असतात लग्नाची. सायंकाळला लग्न असतं आणि त्या सकाळी तो काबुलीवाला डायरेक्टली जेलमधून निघून त्यांच्या घरी येत असतं. आणि घरी आल्याबरोबर तो मिनीच्या वडिलाला सांगत असतं की मी कुठून आलेला आहे म्हणता. डायरेक्टली ही हॅज जस्ट रिलीज फ्रॉम प्रिझन अँड डायरेक्टली कम फ्रॉम द प्रिझन टू द होम. तो डायरेक्टली तिथं आला. ते ऐकल्याबरोबर त्याला त्या मर्डरची, नरेटरला, मिनीच्या वडिलाला त्यानं जो मर्डर केलेला होता काबुलीवाल्यानं, त्या मर्डरची आठवण होत असतं. आणि ही वॉज फिल विथ द टेरर, विथ द सारो. तो दुःखामध्ये एक प्रकारचं पुन्हा त्याच्या मनामध्ये जो आनंद असतो तो आनंद आता थोडासा नाहीसा झालेला असतं, कारण की एक प्रकारचं अपशकुन त्याला सांगितलेलं असतं. Okay, we will stop here, and the another part of the story we will see in the next video. Okay, thank you.